Welcome to Excel Intuition's Isnumber function example 1 video. Suzanne here. If you haven't already done so, I recommend you download the companion workbook that goes along with this video so you can try this on your own and explore further. And you can find the link to the companion workbook in the YouTube video entry. I'm going to click to the Information Function Examples worksheet. We have a table here with function names, definitions, empty cells for value entries, and cells in which to enter the actual functions. We're going to use this third row down for the Isnumber function, and we're testing whether the contents of the cell to the left of this function in G8 has a number as a value. Right now this cell is empty. There's no value in it. And we get the result that Isnumber is false. If I enter the word text, I still get a false value. But if I change that to a numerical value, such as 45, now I get a value of true. And you could experiment further and see how this works for you. Thank you very much.